What are the steps to set up my Gmail account as my Apple ID?
Hello, and welcome. In today's video, we will learn about how to set up your Gmail account as your Apple ID. Using your Gmail account as your Apple ID makes it easier to manage your Apple services and keep everything interconnected.
What is an Apple ID?
Your Apple ID is your personal account for Apple services like the App Store, iCloud, iMessage, and more. It includes your email address and a password. Having your Gmail account as your Apple ID provides an additional level of convenience.
Do I already have an Apple ID?
Before we get started, it's important to note that if you've previously set up an Apple device or used iTunes, you probably already have an Apple ID. Check to see if you have an existing Apple ID before creating a new one.
How to create an Apple ID using Gmail.
1. Go to the Apple ID site. Visit the Apple ID site on your browser. 2. Create your Apple ID. Click on Create Your Apple ID, located at the top right corner of the website. 3. Fill in the details. A form will appear asking for details such as your full name, country, birthday, and desired email address. Fill out these details accurately. In the email field, enter your Gmail address. 4. Set password. You'll also need to set a password for your Apple ID. Be sure to create a strong password. 5. Security questions. Next, you'll need to set up security questions. These help to protect your account and recover it if you ever forget your password. 6. Verify your email. After you've filled out the form, you'll be sent a verification email to the Gmail account you provided. Open your Gmail, find the email from Apple, and follow the instructions to verify your account. 7. Log in with your new Apple ID. Once your account is verified, you can use your Gmail address as your Apple ID to log into any Apple service. And that's it. Now you know how to set up your Gmail account as your Apple ID. We hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to keep your account information secure and enjoy all the benefits of your Apple services.